Here are the top 5 cybersecurity news for today. Cyber news number 1. Healer Security application security startup Healer Security raised $8.5 million in seed funding led by Norwest Venture Partners and Storm Ventures. Founded in 2023, the company aims to help organizations protect applications without compromising efficiency. Its product DNA technology provides real-time code, behavior, and business context for automated risk assessment and prioritization. The platform offers workflow automation, secrets management, incident tracking, and automated response, integrating with existing tools for comprehensive security. Healer's CEO notes that this funding will support the company's vision to offer SDLC security at the convergence of application and cloud. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Cyber news number 2. Cisco releases patches for multiple security flaws. Cisco has released patches to address multiple security flaws impacting Smart Software Manager on-prem and secure email gateway. The vulnerabilities allow attackers to change user passwords, add new users with root privileges, permanently crash devices using malicious email attachments, or execute arbitrary code. One flaw, tracked as CVE 2024-20419, carries a CVSS score of 10.0 and affects Cisco SSM on-prem versions 8, 202, 206, and earlier. The other, CVE 2024-20401, has a CVSS score of 9.8 and affects secure email gateway devices running vulnerable releases of Cisco Async OS. Cyber news number 3. 2 Russian nationals plead guilty for LockBit ransomware scheme. 2 Russian nationals, Ruslan Magomedovich Astamirov and Mikhail Vasilyev, have pleaded guilty in a U.S. court for their role as affiliates in the LockBit ransomware scheme. Astamirov was arrested in Arizona in May 2023, while Vasilyev was extradited from Canada after being sentenced to nearly 4 years in jail. The duo identified vulnerable computer systems, deployed LockBit ransomware, and demanded ransom payments from victims. They face a maximum penalty of 25 years in prison for Astamirov and up to 45 years for Vasilyev. Their sentencing is set for January 8, 2025. Cyber news number 4. JavaScript malware known as SocGholish used to deliver remote access Trojan. A JavaScript downloader, malware called SocGholish, is being used to deliver a remote access Trojan called Async and also install the legitimate open source project BOINC on infected machines. BOINC, designed for volunteer computing, uses participating home computers' resources to carry out large-scale distributed high-throughput computing and rewards users with cryptocurrency. The malware connects to an actor-controlled domain, allowing the collection of host data and transmission of payloads. As of July 15th, over 10,000 clients are connected to these domains. Cyber news number 5. Supply chain attack, cyber threat. A GitHub token that could have granted elevated access to Python's PyPI and PSF repositories was accidentally leaked in a Docker container on Docker Hub. The token, issued for a PyPI admin account, was found by JFrog and had the potential to be used to inject malicious code into PyPI packages or even the Python language itself. The authentication token was revoked immediately after responsible disclosure, and there is no evidence it was exploited in the wild. Additionally, Checkmarx discovered a series of malicious packages on PyPI that exfiltrate sensitive information to a Telegram bot without users' consent or knowledge, linked to cybercriminal operations based in Iraq. Thanks for sticking with us. Please like and subscribe for more updates.